Hi, this is Sandy from OEM Audio Plus here in Fullerton, California, just giving you an overview of our new Evolution sound system for the 2022 and newer Subaru WRX that's equipped with the Harman Kardon factory systems. We have our 50mm extended range speaker that has a frequency response of 300 Hz to 44K. In the front doors, we are utilizing the OEM Audio Plus Excursion 6x9 mid-woofer that has a copper cap on the voice coil, which allows it to have extended high frequency range, so it could blend perfectly with the 50mm dash speaker. In the rear doors, we installed our voice match 6.5-inch carbon fiber cone. In the trunk, we installed our vehicle-specific 8-inch subwoofer. It's a 4-coil woofer that has a carbon fiber cone and is designed to work in small air volume. Over here is our factory woofer delete panel, which is included as part of the kit. The entire kit is a drop-in plug-and-play system that starts with system harness that gets connected to the factory HK amp with factory-type connectors. The harness loops around the front of the car to go to the driver's side and meets up with our amplifier assembly, which is comprised of a 64-bit 8-channel DSP amplifier and our dedicated subwoofer amplifier for a total wattage of 1,010 watts. For additional information, please email us at support@oemAudioplus.com or call us at 855-636-6346 and dial extension of sales department, and we'll give you all the information on and availability on the product. Thank you again.